2, 1.
Hi there, my name is Jonathan Harold and I'm here with the HVAC Technical Academy with Second Chance University, and today I'm going to talk to you about capacitors. Capacitors are a very important part of the air conditioning system. They help cycle power through the entire system, amplifying it as it goes through. Some people think of it as a battery, and while it does store energy, its main function is to pass energy back and forth, building it up over thousands of times per second in order to power the compressor and the fan. There are different types of capacitors. There's start capacitors, which just give a jolt to get things to start. There's run capacitors, which help things maintain their momentum. And there are dual capacitors, like this one right here, which is both in one. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check a capacitor to see if it's bad. So first we're going to do is we're going to see over here, this is rated for 35 microfarads and 5 microfarads. The 35 is going to the HRM, or the capacitor, and the 5 is going to the condenser fan motor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my leads, turn my multimeter to look at microfarads, and I'm going to check my common to my HRM and see what I get. Now, the capacitor is also one of the weakest parts of the system. It's usually one of the first things that goes. As such, rust and corrosion can make it difficult to get a good reading on one of these. As you can see, I'm having trouble with now. So let's see if I can get a good connection and get that working for me. Does not look like I'll be able to on this one. Luckily, I brought a spare. This one we can test a little easier, I think, since as you can see, it's nice, it's shiny, there's not a lot of rust or corrosion on it. So instead, we're going to check this 70 and 7.5 microfarad with a 3% tolerance up and down. So I'm going to check my common to my HRM and check that out on here. And we can see that on here for my HRM, I'm getting a 70.7 microfarad reading, and that is perfect. That is just what we want. So now I'm going to check my common to my fan, which is rated at 7.5 microfarads, and we can see I'm getting 7.57. So even if this has a very low tolerance of 3%, I can tell right there that we are right on the money. That is exactly where we need to be. All right. Thank you, everyone. This has been Jonathan Harold from the HVAC Technical Academy. I hope you learned something today.